saw Schubbe Resch from my friend Ann Devine. Ann had been coming to see Dr. Laura and said so many good things about her. And so I'm like, I think I'll give it a try and see once. And Dr. Laura has always been just amazing and caring and listens and kind, compassionate. What brought me to Schubbe Resch is that I've always had low back pain. Down my legs I would have this burning sensation or numbness and just wasn't going away. And she has helped me, with that. At one point it just wasn't getting any better. And she's like, maybe you need to consult with your family doctor. And I ended up finding out that I had a large tumor on my ovary. And so if it wasn't for Dr. Laura, I don't know if I would have, gone to see my family doctor. Also, I was having problems with my foot. When she would adjust me, my hips would always go right back out. And come to find out is that I needed to have my Achilles tendon repaired. So it was Dr. Laura who kept saying, you need to go have that checked. Well, she told me to go see my primary care and said that, if they needed any questions answered, that what she was seeing, that they could always give her a call. And it must have been about 6 weeks after surgery, then I came over here and she adjusted so that my hips were then in place. Normally after an adjustment, if it would last a day or two, but I would always try, so I wasn't here all the time, bothering them, I would stop in like every try and push it to 2 weeks. But so she adjusted me 6 weeks post-op, and I was able to hold an adjustment for like 2-3 weeks, and I'm like, this is awesome. This is great. So, because now I could walk normal without a constant limp. She would, do the adjustments on my low back. She would also recommend, ice. She gave me exercises to do. So I kept doing those, and that's what helps me get, keep the adjustment holding longer. She gave me preventive. There was times that I would do like the ultrasounds here, do the, I think it's called the STENS unit, where they would do the electrical impulses. So I've had all of that done, and that's what helps. The staff, they're wonderful. They're friendly. From the moment you walk in the door, there's a big friendly smile. They care. If I needed help, like what Dr. Laura recommended, vitamins, so they were helpful in showing me the vitamins, what vitamins I would need to take. The girls here in the back that do the ultrasounds, they're always so friendly and caring. I mean, everybody is just wonderful. You know that they care. It's a genuine care. Usually I feel relief right away after the treatments. When I first started to come, it might, coming for visits, it might have taken, maybe a week or two. But at least I was getting some relief so that the pain wasn't always quite as intense. I have gone to other chiropractors since I've been in 7th grade. I've gone to different chiropractors, but they're great here. They're friendly. They're caring. And maybe because I'm a woman, Dr. Laura's a woman, that you can discuss women issues with her and feel comfortable, or that she might know what I'm experiencing because she is a woman. There's nothing I would change because they're great. They're here for us. They're here early in the morning and they're here till later, late afternoon. So if I call, and I can call at 7 in the morning, a lot of times I'm in by 7:15 or 7:30 for an appointment, so they're very available. And I go, Schubbe Resch, whisper in their ear, and I'm like, go over there. I always recommend them.